Welcome to our behind the scenes New York City second season. We are very excited today because we've invited Jared, a very good friend of mine. Jared is going to be participating in a few videos regarding food and drinks because he's a food and travel expert. We are visiting 3 places. We're starting off at the Rabbit Hole, which is a very local hidden gem. Our second spot will be Lighthouse Brooklyn, focused in very amazing signature cocktails. And for our third place, we're going to go to Huckleberry Bar, which works with an amazing seasonal menu. Are you ready?
I can't wait.
Cool.
Let's drink.
Let's get tipsy in New York. Guys, we came to the Rabbit Hole. This is one of our favorite places. It's a very local spot. It's a very hidden gem in Williamsburg. And it started off as a bakery, and now they have this beautiful restaurant with an outdoor patio. We came to try their French margarita. Are you ready?
I'm very ready.
I'm so ready too.
You ready?
So let's try it. They have cherry, it's tequila, and we're gonna see how this goes. Oh wow, right?
That
oh
is
my
so
God.
good, guys.
This is so good.
I love it.
Everything is also very smooth, very smooth. See you again.
Hi.
So guys, we're here with Nama. Nama is one of the owners of the Lighthouse Brooklyn. It's a place that we really enjoy, and one of the very cool things here is that they work with sustainability and they have locally sourced products from local vendors. So how does that translate into the cocktails we're having today, and which cocktails are we having today?
You're gonna have our seasonal summer sangria and the mezcalito. One of the way that we incorporate sustainability is one by just working with local farmers that we know treat their employees properly, that think about the soil longevity, think about sort of like the holistic system of an ecosystem. And then we also dehydrate our garnishes so that they have a long life. We don't have to throw them at the end of the night. And any herbs that we use, we keep the stems of the garnish and we dehydrate them, making them into spices that we later incorporate into drinks
Super
or
cool.
in the kitchen.
For a good cause.
Yes, drinking for a cause is always a good reason to drink.
Here we have a Saint Germain spritz, Saint Germain gin, sake, and gin. And over here we have the mezcalito, which is tequila, mezcal,
Oh,
lime juice,
tequila.
and jalapeno
Oh.
with a dehydrated lime wheel. It wasn't used, so we dehydrated and used the garnish.
Cheers, cheers.
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 Oh wow, this is very
It
good.
has a kick,
Right?
but it's tasty.
This is very good, but again, very dry. If you like spices, this is the one to try. Because it has one. Right? It's very hot, but it's awesome.
The best
Best.
part.
Huckleberry Bar. Serene is here with us, and she did 2 amazing cocktails, and she's gonna say what their names and what it's made of.
So this cocktail is the Strawberry Fields, obviously named after the Beatles song. It is a house-made strawberry syrup, a house-infused dill vodka, lemon juice, and vodka.
Oh wow. So this is our last stop. We had a great time. Serena did us 2 amazing drinks. This is the Strawberry Field and this is the Sun Also Rises. And the cocktails on their list have some very funny and interesting names like Drinking at the Gym. That's pretty cool. So guys, thank you once again for being with us. We had an amazing first.
So much fun. Thank you.
We had an amazing first episode of the second season, Drinking with Jared. It was fantastic. If you enjoyed, subscribe to our channel,
I did.
like the video, and come explore New York with us, and you will know about all the secrets in New York. See you next week, guys. Now
you
we're
in New
gonna
York.
have a little fun, right?
Cheers.
Cheers.